It's your girl Angela Southern Comfort Dishes and Seasonings. Okay, so today's Southern dish I bring to you is my baked beans. Okay, now today I'm going to be using 2 cans of the Bush's baked bean, and this is one of my favorites by them. This is the brown sugar hickory. Okay, this is what I'll be using today. All right, so I have 2 cans, like I said, and these are 28-ounce cans. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and pour the beans in. Let me show you what we're doing, honey. Mama dropped a little sugar in the dish. I got my little 9 by 13 glass dish sugar. Hold on, tell y'all what. Hold on for a minute. Now, the way I like to store this, whenever you open any brown sugar or whatever, I never store it in the refrigerator because it gets hard. So I always put it in a Ziploc bag whenever I open one. This is a good little trick, guys. When you open it, just put it in the Ziploc bag, get all that air out, and then just Ziploc it closed. Okay? And you can put it in your pantry. Because you put it in the refrigerator, it's going to get nice and hard. Now, I'm using a 1/2 cup of Domino light brown sugar. I also have 1 cup of white granulated sugar. Okay? Now, I have my homemade barbecue sauce here. It's so darn good. This is what y'all want, honey. Trust me. When Mama tell the children, this is what you want. This is the barbecue sauce you want, honey. I tell you, it's coming soon. It's going to be available for sale on my website very, very soon. Okay, so let's get busy. Let Mama pull the camera back for you, sugar. I don't think y'all can see the glass dish. Can y'all see that? Okay, cool beans, honey, cool beans. Okay, so like I said, we got the 2 cans of Bush's baked beans, brown sugar hickory, like I said. So we're going to pour this on over in here just like that. Just like that. Okay, my stove. As a matter of fact, let me run over here and get that on. I just turned it off by mistake. I had it on and I turned it off. Now, never throw your cans in the trash, you know, with all that sweetness in there. Rinse them out with some hot, soapy dish water before you toss them. You don't want any things around your house, you know. Okay, so let me turn on my stove. Give Mama a minute, honey. All right, cool. So my oven is on 350, okay? So that was my first can. So then here's my second can. Let me tell you, when that barbecue sauce becomes available for sale real soon, you're gonna love it. You're gonna come back. I hope you guys are gonna come back ordering more and more and more. Trust me, that's just how good it is. I'm not trying to brag, but you guys are gonna love my barbecue sauce. You hear me? Honey. It's a Georgia thing, honey. It's a Georgia thing, honey. When you know you're doing it, honey, you know you're doing it, okay? All right, honey. Listen, y'all, told you when you come to Angela Southern Comfort Dishes and Seasons, honey, I told y'all, we all family over here. Ain't nothing to hide, honey. We're going to get straight to this cooking and straight to some good old Southern country cooking and eating, all right? Okay, cool. So I got 1/2 cup of Domino light brown sugar. I'm going to add that over in here, just like that, okay? Get all that goodness out of there. You pay for it. Y'all know what I say, honey. When you pay for something, don't throw that extra stuff away. Get all your money out you pay for it. Then I got 1 cup of white granulated sugar. Because I can. And it's my business. Set this aside to go in the dishwasher. Okay, now I have 1 cup of my homemade barbecue sauce. Look at that bad baby right there. Good God Almighty Jesus, what y'all working with, baby. Yes, honey. Mama got in here and she did that right there. Yes, honey. I did that right there. Yes. Yes, sir. And yes, ma'am. You're going to love this here. Yes, Lord. You see that? Right there, right there. Okay. All right. So now we're just going to stir. We're just going to stir. And we're going to let this cook in the oven on 350. You want to make sure you stir it real good. Now, some people, you know, fry bacon and all that other stuff, you know. You can do as you please. Okay? Do as you please. Now, one thing I will do that I forgot to do is just add a hint, which is just a tab of yellow mustard. Okay? Just a tab. We don't need much. We're not trying to go overboard. So these are going to cook in the oven. I'll let these cook in here for about 30 minutes. And then these will come back out. Jesus, have mercy on us. Let's fold them and get it all Give me one moment. Let me get my mustard, okay? Uh-oh. Mama don't want the thing to fall, sugar. Alright, that was my stove letting me know it's heated already. Okay, thank you for waiting. Alright, so just one tab. Just like that. We don't need much. Okay. And honey, you just want to mix. You're gonna love this baked bean recipe. You're gonna love it. Okay, so Mama's gonna come back to you, sugar, as soon as these come out of the oven in 30 minutes. Okay? Mama gotta feed the children, honey. You know I tell you, honey, I want y'all to be fed, honey. Okay, all right. I'll be back, sugar. Okay, everyone, I'm back again. So our baked beans are out of the oven, honey. And yes, ma'am, yes, sir, honey, they smell so darn good. But you know what Mama gonna do? Mama will taste these baked beans. Y'all give Mama a minute, honey. Then Mama going over here. I just unloaded the dishwasher and took out the clean dishes, honey. So let Mama go on in here. Jesus help the child, Lord. Look at them. God, they smell so good. Okay, honey. Okay. These are super duper hot. Super duper hot. Sorry, I had to get a napkin. Oh my God. Child. Listen, baby. This is what you want. Oh, y'all didn't get a picture. Let Mama show y'all the picture of them baked beans, baby. This is what you want, sugar. These baked beans, Angela's Southern Comfort Dishes and Seasonings baked beans. The description will be below. Will be beneath the video. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your love. I appreciate you all. You've got to try this baked bean recipe. You got to try it. You're going to love it, honey. When y'all have another get-together with your family and your friends and your co-workers and your people at the church, honey, they're going to ask who made the baked beans. You just tell them Cousin Angela over there at Angela's Southern Comfort Dishes and Seasonings. Yeah, that's her. She made them, honey. And we got the recipe for her, all right? And y'all share the page. Share, honey. Listen, we're about 15, 16 people away from reaching 100. As soon as this page reaches 100, 3 lucky winners will be chosen for a free gift. And then we want to continuously share when the page hits 200. 4 lucky winners get a free gift, okay? We just got to keep share. Share my Facebook page, please. Share my YouTube page. It's Angela Southern Comfort Dishes and Seasonings. Thank you all. And as I always tell you, until the next time I bring you another one of my Southern Comfort Dishes, stay safe and love one another. Honey, get down to these baked beans. Sugar, go get these baked beans. Make this recipe, honey. You're going to come back and say, Cousin Angela, baby, that was it. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all later. Look, children, y'all stay safe because Mom want to see y'all back over here again. You understand? Mama want the children to come on back so y'all stay safe out there now. Love y'all.